pedal shifter install. You're gonna need a T25, a push pin. You gotta push these brackets on the side to get the airbag out and them bars in there. Those bars. We didn't have factory pedal shifters, so we ordered SRT Hellcat pedal shifters, Trackhawk, whatever you want to call them. Let's see. Get this thing out the way again. Go the other way. There we go. Disconnect your negative off your battery. Common sense, man. Work smart, not dumb. That's where we at right now. Airbag out. Unhooked. Get this off. Screw out. Screw out. Screw out. It's gonna be another screw over here on this side. Get all those out. Get you an easy playing field and go straight at it. Okay, so your silver bolt that sits behind your plate for your pedal shifter. If you don't have a pedal shifter, just a radio, volume, and skip button. The first one is a T25. That black one that's behind it is not a T25. It is a T20. Both of those have to come out, both sides. All right, you got it all out. Whole back exposed, both screws out. It's hanging. We'll unplug it from here. Just a little push tab. Push down on it, releases, slide it out right there. Same for this side. And then everything just reverse. Put it all back in place. And boom, just like that. Pedal shifters installed. All buttoned up. About to clean the steering wheel up, and then pop the airbag back in, pop the battery back on. Then we're gonna get into the Texas settings to activate the pedal shifters. We'll be right back. You know, the countdown for the reboot. Everything's resetting. Still got a minute. Everything just reset. Remember, just fold it in. 15 seconds. Everything's cutting off. I'm gonna shut it off and run. Let everything come back up. Gotta run. Door open. Closed. Let everything shut off. All lights, dash lights. I'll tell you when to restart. I'm gonna do this twice. Then we're on the second sleep cycle. We got about a minute. 2 sleep cycles down. Let's start her up. Sport mode is automatically on when my taser is connected. Once my car starts up, it starts up in sport mode. Let's see what she do. Pedal shifters work. Manual mode engaged. Two. We good. Shifters out. Working. Good to go. Let's go on the test spin. Pedal shifters is active.